In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix the memory could not be read crash error in Apex Legends. So make sure that you watch this video till the end if you want to know how to fix it. Before we start, I just want to say subscribe to my channel and like this video if it helped. And let's start. So the first step is to click on the taskbar, right click on it, open the task manager. And now what you want to do is turn off any application that has an overlay over Apex Legends. So an example for an application like this is Discord, Steam, I don't know, Origin, or the Epic Games Launcher, etc. So what you want to do is just click on the application and click on End Task. So turn off Discord, Steam, etc. And once you do that, go to the Startup tab and disable any application that you don't need when you open your PC. So for example, I don't need my antivirus, so I'm gonna disable it. I don't need the Java update scheduler, I don't need torrent, etc. So you can just disable everything. And you can then close the task manager. The second step is to open this PC. Go to the disk where Apex Legends is installed at, so for me it's local disk C. Go to Program Files x86, go to Origin Games, open the Apex folder, and now what you want to do is find R5 Apex, right click on it, open the properties, go to the compatibility tab, and make sure that the box for disable full screen optimizations is checked, and check the run this program as an administrator box. So you want them both to be checked. And also check the run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, and if Windows 8 doesn't work for you, then you can change it to Windows 7. Once you check all of the three boxes, you can click on apply and click on OK. And you can now close the Apex folder. And the third step is to basically just open up Origin, go to My Game Library, right click on Apex Legends, and click on Repair. This will re-download any files that may be missing from your PC that Apex Legends needs in order to run, and will fix any crashes that you may be getting. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe and like this video if it helped. Bye.